Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to export responses and connect your data to Google Sheets in WordPress using Jetpack Forms. Let's begin. First, open your site in your browser, click on the login option, and sign in using your Google account for a quick access. Then from your dashboard, I want you to click on Jetpack right over here. It should be just below feedback. Click on Jetpack, then select Forms, then select Responses to view your submissions. Make sure to click on Export over here on this section and choose Google Sheets as an option. And follow the prompt to connect your Google accounts and save responses directly to a new sheet. You can also manage or connect your Google Sheets integration via Jetpack Forms and Integrations, or directly from the form block settings under integrations. And that's it. You have now successfully exported your responses to Google Sheets seamlessly using Jetpack Forms. Perfect for tracking and analysis. I hope you found this video very helpful.